Why is it still necessary to clean no-clean solder pastes? No-clean solder pastes promise assemblies without flux residues and at the same time financial savings, as the intermediate cleaning step can be dispensed with. But can these pastes really deliver what they promise? The intention behind the no-clean paste is clear. The flux resin is supposed to encapsulate hygroscopic flux activators and thus replace cleaning. However, practical experience shows that flux activators are still released during a climatic stress test. These favor condensation and can lead to corrosion, leakage currents, or electrochemical migration. The result: short circuits and failures. Flux activators can also cause reduced adhesion of coatings. To avoid such failure mechanisms, there is no way around removing flux activators by cleaning. We at Zestron are the experts in this field. With many years of experience and the highest level of expertise, we will guide you to your perfect cleaning process and optimize your process.